When you apply castor oil before sleep and turn off the lights, your body doesn't just rest. It quietly begins a series of deep, restorative processes that most people never think about. That thick, slightly sticky oil you massaged into your skin isn't just sitting there. While you sleep, your body shifts into repair mode, and castor oil becomes part of that nighttime conversation between your skin, muscles, hormones, and nervous system. But what exactly happens after you drift off? And why do so many traditional healing systems swear by nighttime castor oil rituals? As your body relaxes and your breathing slows, blood circulation naturally improves during deep sleep. This is the first moment castor oil truly gets to work. Rich in ricinoleic acid, castor oil penetrates deeply, especially when applied to warm skin before bed. As circulation increases, the oil is absorbed more effectively, helping deliver its anti-inflammatory and nourishing properties to tired tissues. Have you ever wondered why stiffness and aches feel worse at night and strangely better in the morning after using castor oil? That's not coincidence. It's your body healing while you sleep. Your skin, the body's largest organ, becomes far more active at night. While you're asleep, skin cells regenerate faster, repair damage, and restore moisture balance. Castor oil supports this process by locking in hydration and strengthening the skin barrier. This is why many people wake up with softer feet, smoother hands, or calmer skin after applying castor oil before bed. Could this be the reason your grandmother insisted on oiling feet at night? Ancient wisdom often understood what science later confirmed. As the night deepens, your lymphatic system, responsible for flushing out toxins, becomes more efficient. Gentle massage with castor oil before sleep stimulates lymph flow, helping your body release waste products more effectively. This detoxifying effect may explain why some people notice reduced swelling, lighter legs, or a general feeling of ease the next morning. What if that light feeling after waking up isn't just good sleep, but your body quietly clearing itself overnight? Your muscles and joints also benefit in silence. Castor oil's warming nature relaxes tight muscles and soothes inflamed joints while your body rests. During sleep, growth hormone is released, which repairs tissues and reduces inflammation. When castor oil is present, it complements this natural process, allowing deeper relaxation and recovery. Ever noticed fewer cramps or less joint stiffness after making castor oil part of your nighttime routine? Your body remembers comfort. There's also a subtle connection between castor oil and the nervous system. The simple act of oiling before bed signals safety and care to the brain. This ritual can lower stress hormones like cortisol, making it easier to fall into deep, uninterrupted sleep. Better sleep means better hormone balance, improved digestion, and stronger immunity. Could something as simple as a nightly oil ritual be helping your entire system reset? For some, applying castor oil on the abdomen before sleep supports digestive comfort. While you rest, the parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest mode, becomes dominant. Castor oil may help ease constipation, bloating, or abdominal tension by gently stimulating circulation and relaxation in the gut. Have you ever woken up feeling less heavy without changing your diet? Nighttime healing often works quietly, without dramatic signs. As dawn approaches and your body prepares to wake, the effects of castor oil linger. Your skin holds moisture better, your muscles feel less tense, and your body feels more grounded. This is because nighttime is when the body listens best, to nourishment, to rest, and to care. Castor oil doesn't force change. It supports what your body's already designed to do. So the next time you apply castor oil before sleep, ask yourself, what else in your life could benefit from gentle consistency? If your body can heal so much while you rest, what's possible when you truly listen to it? Sometimes the most powerful transformations happen quietly, while you sleep. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.